My dear students, welcome back to my YouTube English channel, English with Malik Sir. In the previous units, in connection with the adjective series, which is based on basic to advanced level of students, we have discussed very vividly a number of interesting items in connection with the adjectives, such as the significance of adjective in noun phrases, the definition of adjective, the use of 12 types of adjectives, formation of adjective with the help of a number of suffixes. Side by side, we have discussed about the position of adjectives at the time of our speaking and writing. We have also discussed about how article the is used with adjectives. In this unit 14, we are going to discuss about adjectives in degrees of comparison. This is also very interesting factor which is highly necessary for our better speaking and writing. How? Let's see. Here we find some gradable adjectives, means not all adjectives are used in degrees of comparison. Yes, some gradable, because some non-gradable adjectives are there which are not used in degrees of comparison. Only the gradable adjectives change in form to show the intensity of quality. Such changes are called degrees of comparison. These gradable adjectives can be used in positive, comparative and superlative degrees. Yes, there are 3 degrees indicating intensity of quality. Okay, positive, comparative and superlative. Okay, now see how. Positive degree, the base form of adjective, is called positive degree. Okay, yes, tells the quality of a noun. The comparative degree expresses the existence of a higher degree of the quality when two things or persons are compared. Yes, this is very much clear. Superlative degree denotes the existence of highest degree of quality when more than two things are compared. Yes, this is the very use of adjective of positive degree, adjective of comparative degree and adjective of superlative degree. Okay, yes, adjective of positive degree indicates quality of one particular noun. It may be a thing or a person. Adjective of comparative degree is used whenever we compare two things or persons to indicate a higher degree of quality. Adjective of superlative degree is used whenever we indicate a highest degree of quality of more than two things or persons. These are the difference in between the adjective of positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Yes, now see how. Point 1, shorter adjectives. What do you mean by shorter adjectives? Means adjectives having one syllable. Okay, shorter adjectives which are formed of one syllable or two syllables ended in y. Remember, if any adjective is formed of one syllable, yes, having one vowel sound, yes, or two syllables but ended in y. In that case also we use suffix er in comparative degree and suffix est in superlative degree. In the monosyllabic adjectives ending in consonant preceded by a vowel, the last consonant is doubled. How? Let's see any examples. Cheap, cheaper, cheapest. Here ea sounds as one vowel sound, that is cheap. This is monosyllabic adjective. Cheaper, that's why ER and EST. Okay. Young, no doubt two vowels are here, but sound comes one. Young, that's why monosyllabic. Young, younger, youngest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Again, simple, simpler, simplest. Next, thin. Here, N is the consonant and before N there is a vowel, and hence we have to use N another. It means the last consonant is doubled here. Yes, and thinner, thinnest. Yes. Similarly, big. Here I is the vowel and G is the consonant. That's why bigger, B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger, okay, and biggest. Fat, vowel A, and that's why fatter, F-A-T-T-E-R, and fattest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Heavy, heavy. Here we have two syllabic word, that is heavy. He here, Y semi-vowel, and that's why here two syllabic word heavy, and it ends with Y. Therefore, here we can use ER and EST in comparative and superior degree respectively. Yes. Next, funny. Two syllabic word. Here, funny, funnier, funniest. Early. Here we also find two syllabic word. Earlier, earliest. Dirty, dirty. We have two syllabic word. Dirtier, dirtiest. Okay, these are the ways how we use suffix er in comparative degree and suffix est in superlative degree in the case of monosyllabic adjectives and sideways disyllabic adjectives ending with y. Longer adjectives or adjectives having two or more syllables, yes, take more in comparative degree and most in superlative degree. See in examples, the beautiful. Here in this adjective we have beautiful. It is a more than two syllabic word, and here we find more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay, industrious, industrious. Here, four syllabic word, more industrious, most industrious. Interesting, interesting. Here, it is also four syllabic word, and that's why more interesting and most interesting. Exciting, exciting. Here, three syllabic word, more exciting, most exciting. Confident, confident. Here, three syllabic word, more confident, most confident. Careful, more careful, most careful. Okay, so here we find that whenever we have two syllabic words or more than two syllabic words, definitely in a comparative degree more and in a super degree most is usually used. Okay. In third point, we find irregular adjectives. The adjectives which are used irregularly in their degrees are called irregular adjectives. Okay. In this case, we don't find regularity in use of adjectives in positive, comparative, and superlative like the last two types of adjectives. Their comparative and superlatives are not formed from their positives. Yes, whenever positive degree is good, comparative degree is better, and superlative degree is best. Now come bad or evil or ill. Yes, in this case, the comparative degree is worse, the superlative degree is worst. Far, we can here find the two comparative adjectives. Farther, side by side, further. We will discuss it in subsequent class very vividly, the difference between farther and further, farthest and furthest, for, farmer, foremost, little, less, least. Okay, many, more, most. Okay, indicating number of a countable noun. Okay, but when much, more, and most, it indicates a quantity of a uncountable noun. Countable noun indicating number and uncountable noun indicating quantity. Old, here we also find two types of comparative degree: elder, older, eldest, oldest. We will discuss in the later classes very clearly differences in between. The next idea, that is late, latter, latter, L-A-T-E-R, L-A-T-T-E-R. It will be also discussed in the subsequent classes. Yes, the difference, and here we find latest and last. Once again, late, latter, latest. Okay, late, latter, last. In here inner in comparative degree, but inner, inmost or innermost in superlative degree. Out, outer, outmost or outermost, both are accepted. These are very interesting ways how we use some gradable adjectives in three different degrees at the time of our speaking and writing. This is therefore very interesting and important discussion. It should be carefully remembered. Go through this video from the beginning to the end very carefully. If possible, take it down, try to use it in your spoken and written English so that you can feel comfortable at the time of writing and speaking. Okay, thank you for being with me. Wish you a happy and healthy day ahead. See you in the next segment. Till then, goodbye.